All right, we're going to do a little update with Dean. He's made awesome progress. He's taking food from me. We've got him sitting when I stop, moving with a little bit more confidence, a little bit more happiness, if you will. So let's see how he does. Yes, good boy. Tail's wagging, and like that. Up. Good. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Come on. Good. Yes. Sit. Good. Yes. Sit. Good boy. Good boys. Good dogs. So I've got Maggie out here with us just because she's always happy-go-lucky. Sit. Yes. Down. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. Good. So we kind of use Maggie because she's always happy no matter how scared the dogs are or how timid they act. She can always have a way of kind of calming them down. Sit. Yes. Come. Come. Sit. Good boy. Up. Good. Now the other thing I kind of like when I have Maggie out here with Dean is because normally if another dog is to jump up on that platform, he'll just pass. He's like, no, I don't want to get up there because I'm insecure and I don't want to have to jockey for position up there, and I'm just going to avoid any kind of competition. But now he's starting to jump up there with her and almost kind of like, you know, moving her over. This is my spot too, just as much as it is yours. Sit. Good. Good. Good boy. Up. Good. So he's actually kind of having fun now, which is so good to see. Sit. Sit. Good. Sit. Down. Come on. Down. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Look at that tail going. That's the most I've seen his tail wag. Good boy, Dean. Good boy. Dean, up. Good. See how when he jumped up there on that platform, he kind of claimed his spot and didn't let Maggie just push him off. Good. Good. Come. Sit. Good. Sit. Good boy, down. Come on, down. There we go, down. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. He's giving me lots of eye contact, which is such a big thing because before he would do anything to avoid looking at me. Good. Easy. Sit. Good boy. Down. Come on. Down. Good. 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 Down. Good. Very good. For him to get down in the down position like that is big for him. Any dog that has a lot of anxiety, down is very hard for them because they just don't feel comfortable being in a vulnerable or submissive position. Good. So make sure that they're hungry when you're doing this and use that hunger to your advantage, and hopefully it overrides their fear and anxiety. Good boy. So even though they're scared, that reward of satisfying their hunger overrides it, and now we're not thinking about being scared. We're thinking about that tasty treat. Come. Sit. Down. Good boy. Good boy. Now that wasn't a really great down because his elbows weren't totally on the ground. Down. No. Down. Good. Good boy. Good boy. You'll also notice when the elbow is touching, they are going to stay down a little bit longer. Down. Come on. Sit. Sit. Good. Down. So if they get stuck like this, just pass over and try again. So right now he's more comfortable. Sit. Good. He's more comfortable going into it down on this mat. Down. So we'll just keep doing that until we don't need that mat anymore. And the reason he feels more comfortable on that mat is because this is where I taught him how to do it. Good. You notice how much longer he stays down when he's on the mat. Good. Okay. Move. Down. Good. Good. When you have them in it down, you want to reward a lot and really quick. Good boy, okay. Down. Sit. Down. Okay. Sit. Down. Good boy. Good boy. Down. So right now he's stuck again. I can tell if he's going to go down or not because he doesn't move his front paws forward. It kind of keeps him back here. Sit. Good. Down. See how his paws, both of his paws are right out in front of him? That's when you know he's going to go into a nice down. He's going to look like an Egyptian statue. Good. Okay. Down. Again, his paws are out in front. Both of his hind legs are in a nice position. Good. Okay. Down. So now he's probably going to get stuck. Notice how he's not putting his front legs out in front of him. Yeah, so we'll just try it again. Good boy. Good boy. Sit. Down. There we go. Good. Okay. Down. So that foot is out in front of him, but this one's all the way back. There. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. Good. Sit. Down. Perfect. Good. Okay. Down. Good. Okay. Down. Yes. Good. Good. Okay. Down. Good boy. Good boy. Dean, get. Good. So that's kind of wanted to just show you how we do the down with these timid dogs that do everything kind of slow and cautious. Start paying attention to the little moves, like his feet. We'll see if we can get a front view. Perfect. All right, come here, Dean. Sit. Down. Whoop. Good boy. Down. See that leg right here? Both of them. He's leaning over him like this instead of putting him out like this. There's one. There we go. Good boy. Good boy. So as soon as you see him move that foot out, they're going to go into a down. Good boy. Move. Sit. Go on. You're blocking. Down. Nope. All right. Sit. Down. Good. Now you see his feet right there? That's how you want them to look. And when they look like that, they're going to stay in a down a lot longer for you. Good boy. Okay. All right, so there's a good look at Dean. Hopefully that wasn't too boring, but welcome to my life. And hopefully you kind of learned something on that. Knowing how to read the dog's body language to know if they're getting it or not. And if you know how to read those little subtle movements like their feet, then you can kind of help and manipulate them into a position to where it's easier for them to learn also. But if you're just sitting there fighting it and they're stuck in a position, you just kind of reset and try it again. Otherwise, it'll just get frustrating and you'll give up. But Dean is a good boy. He's starting to finally be my friend. He's realizing I'm not so bad. All right, we'll see you later. Toodles.